Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to create or to use a simple for loop. So I'm going to say for loop dot ipynb, enter. So in a for loop we want to iterate through a given list. So I'll say probably for I in range, then my range will start from, maybe let me just use 10. Then at the end of 4, I'll have the colon. Then I'll say print I. So what we are seeing here, I'm saying I have to start from where this range starts to where the range ends, and this should be printed. So we expect to see from 0 to 10. You can see from 0 to 9 here, which means it has iterated in this range. So this is where the range starts and this is where the range ends. So that's how we use a for loop. So how can we use a while loop? So which means a while loop is also a condition which allow us to print something given the as a first condition is met. So we can say for a while loop, so a while loop like this, I can say maybe we can start with I equals to 0, maybe it's a condition, which is an initial condition. Then from that initial condition, you can say, okay, while I is less than 10, then print I. Then when you print I, which means we are in this case we have got the initial condition and we have got this other condition. So the initial condition, we are saying this should start from 0. Then we are saying here this has to increase by 1. So our I will start from 0 and increase by 1 up to 10. So when we run this, we expect to see something similar to this one because we have started from 0. I can start from 5 here and start running my while loop like this. When you run this, to start to print from what you call from 5 to 9. So let me just return this to 0. Let's just run that. So this is how we use a for loop or a while loop.